In this video, we are going to closely read and analyze the poem Miracles by Walt Whitman, and we're going to use the strategy TP-CAST to do it. The first step in TP-CAST is to look at the title of the poem and make a prediction. So the title of this poem is Miracles, and I think that the author is probably going to be talking about maybe a miracle in his life. So I'm going to write down that prediction. The poem will be about maybe a personal miracle that this author experienced. So, I've written down my prediction for the title. I'm ready to move on to the next step of TP-CAST, which is paraphrase. In this step, I'm going to go ahead and read through the poem once, do my cold read. I'm going to find my important words and phrases, and then I'm going to write a line-by-line translation of the poem. Basically, I'm going to put the whole poem in my own words. So, let's move on to that cold read. Miracles by Walt Whitman. Why, who makes much of a miracle? As to me, I know of nothing else but miracles. Whether I walk the streets of Manhattan, or dart my sight over the roofs of houses toward the sky, or wade with naked feet along the beach just in the edge of the water, or stand under trees in the woods, or talk by day with anyone I love, or sleep in the bed at night with anyone I love, or sit at table at dinner with the rest, or look at strangers opposite me riding in the car, or watch honeybees busy around the hive of a summer forenoon, or animals feeding in the fields, or birds, or the wonderfulness of insects in the air, or the wonderfulness of the sundown, or of stars shining so quiet and bright, or the exquisite, delicate, thin curve of the new moon in spring. These with the rest, one and all, are to me miracles. The whole referring, yet each distinct and in its place. To me, every hour of the light and dark is a miracle. Every cubic inch of space is a miracle. Every square yard of the surface of the grass is spread with the same. Every foot of the interior swarms with the same. To me, the sea is a continual miracle. The fishes that swim, the rocks, the motion of the waves, the ships with men in them. What stranger miracles are there? So I've gone through my cold read. Now I'm going to go back to my blue highlighter, and because this is the first time I read this poem, I really want to make sure I get my paraphrase right. That's where I translate it in my own words. So I'm going to identify my key words and phrases. You all can do that on your own. Go ahead and pause the video and identify your key words and phrases.